Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a client's complex family history? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn that complicated narrative into a clear, actionable visual map. We'll be using professional geogram techniques to uncover hidden patterns in family systems. It's a game changer for your clinical toolkit, so let's get started. We'll dive into the art and science of mapping multi-generational family dynamics for social workers and therapists. The therapeutic family tree construction is more than just a drawing exercise. It's a diagnostic power move. We're looking at how to map these relationships systematically. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn messy family histories into clear, actionable roadmaps for healing. Before we pick up the pen, we have to talk about the why. A genogram isn't just a list of names, it's a way to visualize family patterns in therapy. As we transition into the foundational symbols, remember that our goal is to build a common clinical language. This section covers the core alphabet of genograms so that your assessment remains professional and easily understood by any peer or supervisor who picks up the file. Let's break down the symbols. In a standard genogram, the shapes are non-negotiable. So on the left, you see a square which represents male identifying individuals. In the center, we have identifier markers, circles for females, and specific symbols like diamonds or combined shapes for non-binary or transgender individuals. On the right, a diagonal cross through a shape represents the vital status. Usually a symbol like an X or a diagonal line through a square or circle indicates the person is deceased. Using these standardized icons is the first step in how do social workers track family history with professional consistency. Now let's take a look at the image on the right. It shows how lines connect these people. It's not just about bloodlines, it's about the psychological climate. So zigzag lines represent high conflict or hostile relationships. Triple parallel lines show enmeshment or fused boundaries. By using these family system mapping tools, you can perform intergenerational trauma mapping right on the page. You'll start to see where trauma flows and where resilience is built, making your social work assessment tools much more powerful than simple text notes. Step one in our step-by-step genogram tutorial is the structure. You always start with your primary client. You mark them with a double border circle or square so they stand out instantly. Then follow the rule of three. Move up to parents, then up again to grandparents. Mapping 3 generations is the gold standard for mapping multi-generational family dynamics because it's the minimum distance needed to identify repeating behavioral or medical cycles. Let's look at the case of Marcus. Marcus is a school social worker dealing with a student's anxiety. Through a genogram, he discovered a cycle. The student's father and grandfather both had school-based trauma linked to undiagnosed learning issues. Because Marcos used therapeutic family tree construction, he stopped seeing a bad student and started seeing intergenerational academic trauma. This allowed him to advocate for testing and support rather than just discipline. This is a perfect example of visualizing family patterns in therapy to change lives. The numbers on this slide tell a huge story. 72% of clinicians use mapping because it works. It increases diagnostic accuracy significantly. Mapping transforms messy dynamics into understandable clusters. When you use these family system mapping tools, you aren't just being thorough, you're being efficient. It's a key part of comprehensive social services case tracking because it reduces the cognitive load and reading through 50 pages of intake notes. So let's quickly summarize what we've covered today. 1. Use standardized symbols for cross-disciplinary clarity. 2. Connect relational lines to highlight conflict or fusion. 3. Stick to the 3-generation minimum for historical context. 4. Link behavioral data directly to symbols, like noting substance abuse next to a father's square. And 5. Transition to digital platforms to ensure secure client documentation and file storage. Finally, let's talk about the future of practice. Modern social work is moving from paper to an all-in-one mental health practice management software. Digital tools allow you to link your genograms directly to integrated intake forms and client progress tracking. This makes streamlining social work workflows from intake to billing effortless, ensuring that your brilliant clinical work is also well documented and properly billed. If you want to move away from messy paper files, we have the solution. Our case management software for social workers is built specifically for your needs. Includes everything from HIPAA compliant secure messaging and notes to built-in intake form templates. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free 21-day trial, no credit card required. Experience how much easier it is to manage your clinical mapping and documentation in one secure place. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to this page. Just enter your first name, last name, and email, as well as your organization name, and select your practice area. We also recommend that you enter a phone number. And once you've signed up, you'll be brought to the main dashboard where you can perform quick actions among other things. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download the free Genogram template. And so step one is, of course, to do the free trial there. Step two is going to be navigating to the free tools module from the sidebar over here. And then we're going to search Genogram. And step three is to click the title to start the download. Or, for example, if I have multiple that I'd like to download, I can just place a check mark in each of the ones that I want to download, and then I can come over here and bulk download them all at once. And don't forget to like this video, as it lets me know that you've received value from it. You can also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss great content like this one.